The European Union has ordered Apple to pay $14.5 billion in back taxes due to what antitrust regulators allege is an illegal tax break deal with Ireland spanning more than a decade. But other multinationals are also in the crosshairs of EU investigators who are probing whether certain tax agreements between EU states and companies allowed for unfair competitive advantage. Amazon is under review for its European operations based in Luxembourg, where regulators are focused on a large royalty fee not subject to corporate tax. The amount the EU is seeking from Amazon for unpaid taxes is still pending. Amazon claims it has paid all required taxes. Also in Luxembourg, EU regulators say the country may have granted McDonald's European franchising unit a deal that resulted in the fast food chain, quote, paying no tax on their European royalties, either in Luxembourg or in the U.S., end quote. The amount of taxes McDonald's might owe is also still pending. In Belgium, the tax arrangement of about 35 companies owned by AB InBev are under review. The EU is arguing that the tax arrangements distort competition in the market. AB InBev could be on the hook for about $780 million in taxes. And Starbucks and the Dutch government are currently appealing the EU's October 2015 ruling that the coffee chain pay up to $34 million in back taxes. Regulators say the Netherlands structured a tax deal with the company that amounted to state aid. In January, Google struck a deal with UK authorities to settle a tax dispute and boost its corporate taxes in Britain. Google paid $189 million in back taxes from 2005 until 2015, but the deal sparked an outcry in the UK among those who say the company should have paid more. Google is also facing audits in several countries, including France, which is asking for up to $1.13 billion, and Italy, which is seeking roughly $327 million in back taxes and penalties. And earlier this year, Facebook said it will soon start boosting tax payments in the UK, as its tax structure also came under mounting political pressure from European governments. The change will boost the revenue and likely the tax liability of Facebook's UK entity, though a spokesman for the company declined to provide estimates. Back to Apple. The U.S. has criticized the move against the tech giant and says the EU is acting inconsistently with international tax norms. CEO Tim Cook says Apple follows the law and will pay all taxes it owes. The company and Ireland both plan to appeal.